The DD Audio 608F-D2 Subwoofer delivers surprisingly deep, authoritative bass from an 8-inch frame, making it ideal for serious car audio builds with limited space. Its 1000-watt continuous and 3000-watt peak power handling, combined with a dual 2-ohm voice coil configuration, gives installers a lot of flexibility to extract strong output from a wide range of amplifiers. The robust motor structure, extended pole piece, and generous excursion capability let this driver play low with control, so bass notes stay tight rather than muddy at higher volumes. A carefully engineered cooling system with aluminum heat sinking and extensive venting helps keep the voice coil temperatures in check during long, loud listening sessions, which improves reliability over time. The cone, surround, and spider assembly use durable, high-quality materials that resist mechanical fatigue, so the subwoofer can handle hard daily use without quickly wearing out. Despite being a compact 8-inch driver, it is designed to work well in both sealed and ported enclosures, giving you the choice between tighter response or maximum output depending on your system goals.